Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another interesting recipe. From the Konkani cuisine, we'll be seeing how to prepare a sweet recipe which is prepared as a prasad or nivedyam on the special occasion of Krishna Jayanti or Krishna Janmashtami. There is nothing but Phowa Panchagadai or Panchagaja. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 2 cup of poha or flattened rice, 1 cup of grated jaggery, 2 cup of freshly grated coconut, few chopped cashew nut, 1 tablespoon of white sesame seed, 1/4 teaspoon of elaichi powder, 1 tablespoon of honey, and finally 1 tablespoon of ghee. Firstly, to begin with, take a grater and grate the jaggery. The reason why we are doing this is the jaggery dissolves much faster than when added in bigger chunks. Once you are done with grating the jaggery, take a thick bottom pan or kadai, and once the kadai is hot enough, switch the flame to low to medium, and into this add the chopped cashew nut. Now saute and dry roast this until the cashew nuts turn golden brown. Once you are almost done with dry roasting the cashew nut, into this add the white sesame seed. Now saute and dry roast this as well until the white sesame seed begins to pop. Once you are done with dry roasting the mixture, switch off the flame and transfer the mixture into a plate. Allow this to cool down in room temperature. Next, into the same kadai in which you had previously dry roasted, add 1/4 cup of water and the grated jaggery. Now allow the jaggery to dissolve completely and cook this in low to medium flame until the jaggery thickens. Once the jaggery syrup thickens and the bubble almost settles down, into this add the freshly grated coconut and mix everything well. Allow this to cook for some more time until the water completely evaporates. Once your coconut and jaggery mixture is ready, into this add the cardamom or elaichi powder and give this a good mix. Allow the mixture to cool down in room temperature for some time and later take a mixing bowl and transfer the mixture into it. Now into this add the poha or flattened rice and mix everything well using your hands until the poha or the flattened rice turns soft. Once the mixture is nice and soft, into this add the dry roasted cashew nut and sesame seed, honey and ghee, and give everything a good mix. Now your delicious Phowa Panchagadai is ready. So do try this Nived or Prasad recipe during this Krishna Janmashtami or Krishna Jayanti, and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.